lips taste like sangria. Hello fami, I am back and today we're gonna learn how to make sangria. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this channel. Así que vamos! Ok, esta receta de sangría fue pasada de generación en generación, okay? This recipe has been in my family for many generations. Just kidding, we learned it in a party and that's just our go-to recipe for sangria and it's so freaking good. And I'm gonna teach you how to make it today. These are the ingredients that you will need. We're gonna taste and adjust as we go. One thing, you're supposed to use white rum. However, I don't have white rum. Tengo ron abuelo, añejo, así que este es el que vamos a usar. También, en lugar de control, pueden usar triple sec. You can use either or, so food for thought. Let's get started. Aquí tenemos toda la fruta lavadita. You're gonna wash your green grapes, your apples, your oranges, everything that you're gonna put into the sangria. And we're going to cut everything in squares. We have all the fruit chopped up. I ended up adding 2 apples porque me pareció que le hacía falta. Pero aquí ya tenemos todo picadito y ahora vamos a mezclar la fruta con la canela. That's the trick, to mix the fruit with the cinnamon so that the cinnamon doesn't float on top so much. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna grab your designated sangria bucket. Every good household should have one. We just bought this one yesterday. It's brand new. I just cleaned it and we're gonna start by dumping all of the fruit inside of it. You're gonna grab about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. If you're in Panama or in other Latin American countries, ahí venden unos sobrecitos de canela. You can use those little like single servings. Not single servings, but like those little packets of cinnamon. That's the perfect amount. So I'm gonna start with about like 2 tablespoons and I'll add more if I see that it needs more. Gonna mix it. It looks good like this. I'm gonna add a little more just because I like a cinnamony sangria. So you want the fruit to be coated with a nice layer of cinnamon. I'll show you. You want the fruit to be coated with a layer of cinnamon. Una vez ya veas la fruta así cubierta con canela, puedes ir agregando los licores y el vino. Now we're gonna do the fun part. We're gonna add the wine and the liquor. You can use like those sangria wines. Those are the best ones to use. These are the ones that we have home, so I'm gonna use these, but just FYI. Any red wine will do, really. Let's do this a little faster. También compramos esta sangría. We found this sangria in Publix. We're gonna use this as well. One more. Le vamos a agregar el ginger ale, the ginger ale, Canada Dry. You can use whatever. I'm gonna add about like 1.5 liters. So it's probably, this is a 2-liter bottle, so probably about that much. Same amount of squirt or fresca si están en Panamá o en Latinoamérica. Cualquier soda blanca así de este tipo. Same amount of orange juice. You can use Tropicana, no pulp for sure, sin pulpa. O bueno, Estrella Azul si están en Panamá. 1,5 litros más o menos. Y realmente deben usar ron blanco. You should use white rum, like Bacardi or any other like that. This is the one that I have at home, good old ron abuelo, so we're gonna use this one. Shouldn't change the taste that much. And half a bottle of Contro. You can also use half a bottle of triple sec, whichever you prefer. Mix it all up. Give it a try. A ver cómo va. It's good. I'm gonna add the rest of the sodas. Just need a little bit more sweet. I'm gonna add sugar. I think it does need the sugar. There's a reason why it's on the recipe. Might as well follow it, right? Okay. Just right. Add sugar to taste, however much you want. You know, different people have different tastes as far as sugar goes. This is perfect for me. I'm gonna wrap this up, take it to a party, because obviously we're not drinking all of this. Not today. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this whole video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if there are any other recipes you want me to try, and I'll go ahead and teach them. I'm gonna go take this to a party, and I'll see you next week. Bye!